8 Common refrigerator problems and refrigerator troubleshooting. The cause of the breakdown can be varied or even complicated, but not all of them require professional detection from repairmen. Problem number 1. The refrigerator is leaking water. The cause can be the defrost drain is blocked, or the water supply line is broken. Problem number 2. The freezer's temperature is not cold enough. Firstly, check out your thermostat, and you might find out that you did have forgot to adjust the thermostat. The not completely closed refrigerator door can cause cold air to escape and let the hot air get inside. Another cause can be the vents that let cold air enter the fridge is blocked. Still, if the air damper doesn't work, it may hinder the cold air from flowing into the fresh food compartment. Problem number 3. The refrigerator starts and cycles frequently. With a voltage beyond the range, the refrigerator can stop or start frequently due to the protection mechanism. When the freezer temperature is set too low, the refrigeration is sure to be repeatedly activated. Heavy dust on the condenser coils is one of the common reasons why your refrigerator runs frequently. Sometimes the problem is on the condenser fan motor or the thermostat sensor. Problem number 4. Ice maker is not working. It could happen when the water supply line is clogged or broken, or the shutoff arm is at the wrong position, and when the built-in sensor cannot detect the ice bin, it will instruct the ice maker to stop making ice. Problem number 5. Too much ice buildup in freezer. Keeping the freezer door open for too long could let the humid air get into the freezer and be frozen quickly. Problem number 6. Refrigerator is making strange noises. Most of the noise problems can attribute to the condenser fan and the evaporator fan. Problem number 7. The refrigerator isn't working. When the refrigerator is totally out of work, it could be the problems with the electronic control board. Problem number 8. Refrigerator water dispenser fails to produce water. The causes can be a frozen water tub, or a defective water inlet valve, or low water pressure, or a clogged water filter.